everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a junk journal kit that I have just listed in my Etsy store. This is for beginners or advanced junk journalers, anybody. If you want the kit already, everything is together for you, or if you've never done one before, doesn't matter. So I have put together this cover out of upholstery fabrics, and I have pre-cut some pages and put them in here, and some pages are short, some pages are long, some pages are tall, and then of course you will just add any more pages that you want to add or take away. If you want to, you can stitch your pages in through the spine here if you want to, or you can just take one of those rubber band loop things and use that to hold your pages in, however you want to do it. I have left it shabby around the edges because that's the way most of us like it. If you don't like that for some reason, you can always trim it. So there is the cover and some of your pages. I'm also including, let's see, this beautiful sticker set, dimensional stickers. I have some beaded fringe, which is great for, say, the bottom of a page, or use it on your journal cover, or just anywhere you want to use it. There's a good yard of beaded fringe there. Let's see, I've got this lace here, which has these little buttonhole loops in it. You can run a ribbon through that if you want to. You can do the same here. This one has little holes in it. So there's a lot of lace. You'd probably never use that much lace on one journal, but I just included a lot in there. There is a good chunk of lace here. Now this lace is wide lace here. It's just beautiful cream colored lace. I've got this very wide lace here in this peachy color. You can cover a page with it. You can make a pocket out of it and stick something down inside a little piece, whatever you want to do. There is another piece of trim here that's got the little roses on it. Would just be so pretty down the edge of a page, you know, maybe just kind of overlapping the page just a little bit so you'd get those ruffled edges. Then you could hang a dangle or something from that. Also in the kit is a little stack of doilies. There's about 4 of them, little paper doilies in this stack. I have a lot of stuff I put in here. This is little flat back pearls in a bunch of different colors that I put in there to decorate your pages. This is a little goodie bag that has all these buttons and little roses, and look how cute is this. It's a little sewing machine. It's a little wooden button. It also has this little miniature suitcase looking thing that I think is just so precious, and it has 2 dangles inside which you could add to your pages. Then it closes right there and it dangles itself. I've got brads in here to decorate pages and hang things on. This is just a blank card. You can use that as pages if you want to in your journal, or you can take it apart and make pockets out of it or anything you want to. This is a little shabby fabric envelope, and it is full of die-cut flowers, as you can see down in there. So you can put those together in layers and fancy them up a little bit to embellish your journal. I have just some paper, some scrapbooking paper to make more pockets and stuff. I have some journaling cards, double-sided journaling cards, more beautiful paper, journaling cards. There are 3 pieces of hem page paper. Now what I like to do with this, you can do anything you want to, but I like to tear it into little pieces and then distress the edges and then just apply it down on your page or your tags, or, you know, with that distressed look. This is a altered library pocket, a library card pocket. It has this little paper clip sitting on it, and inside it I have added tags and little miniature tags and little cards and another tag and this beautiful lady tag. In the back I stuck this iron-on butterfly, which you don't have to iron it on. You could glue it on or anything you want to. I just stuck it in there. So all of that comes with your kit, and I just stuck that in there to kind of